In this unboxing and quick video, I'm going to show you what's in the box, what you get, how you can fill it, and how it's working outside. I'm going to show you some live footage, of course. So that's the box here. Some information. Doesn't look too complicated. Would say it's pretty much standard. Comes with a white mouse. Brand seems to be SusuBee. Capacity 300 milliliters. So we get some nice protection. That's good, especially when it's glass. That's definitely glass. A little bit difficult to take out. I want to make sure that I'm not damaging it. So we can push a little bit from the back and then it works. Same thing here, pushing from the back, grabbing from the front. And so we have it here. What's important to know is the length of the wick is exactly the height of the glass, so we don't have anything extra. So if the top burns off, happens usually when we let it burn to the bottom, then probably it would burn off, and so we'd have to push here a little bit up. I think that's possible. I'm not doing that here, but it looks like it's possible. But of course, after that, we won't have the same run time because the wick will go then maybe only down here. I would say the width of the mouse is decent, as well as everything else. We have this nice pattern on the sides. Down here, it's clear. Nothing to complain. And filling up was super easy with the oil because of the white mouse. You can see absolutely no problem, no spill. The lid is a little bit tight, or the thread is a little bit tight. I wished it would be a little bit more accurate, but it can be easily closed and opened again. Okay, and so I'm outside. I have filled up the bottle with some anti-mosquito oil a couple of hours ago. The wick soaked it up really fast. So let's see how good we can ignite it. It will be for the first time. So I press here. Okay, and it illuminates right away. Oh wow, quite a flame. That's pretty impressive here. Will definitely have some impact, no question about that. Pretty impressive, so seems to work really good. And yeah, so everything looking really good. Also the glass really solid, heavy, especially with the filling. The only complaint maybe from my side is that we do not have any cover here. Would have been nice to have some kind of a cap here, preventing from drying out or evaporating the oil. If that's possible, I don't even know if that's happening, but looks really good here. Leave it running for a little bit. You can see that's definitely working pretty good. The flame was almost too large for a small table, so we decided to put it on the floor, and there it worked absolutely awesome. It was beautiful, burning really nicely. And despite the large flame, it's surprisingly easy to extinguish the flame. You can see that I did that here with just one push here. Also illuminating the area pretty nicely, I would say. So it's a full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.